How you doing? Real quick video for those who might have this exact same problem. It's a 2012 Chrysler 200 and it's got a complaint of running rough at idle. Gives a little vibration. Car's all warmed up now, works perfectly. And it does have a trouble code of P0562, and what that code is for is low voltage detected in the PCM during idle. So likely this vehicle was running rough and then would set that code because the voltage would get low, didn't stall. Also wasn't recording a misfire, no misfires in this. So what I think it is, and pretty sure it is this vehicle requires a plug, new plugs at around 60,000, 62,000 kilometers. And I don't know if they've been changed before. It's got about 84,000 kilometers on, so let's check it out. So you can see the plugs. This is a 4-cylinder 2.4 and has individual coils right on the top of the engine. Just a little cover over there that I had to pop off, and pulled out the plug. She's a little warm, and you can see that there is a really big gap there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Maybe it's not focusing perfectly, but it has a really large gap. I just checked it. It's about almost 60 thou of a gap there, so definitely needs plugs. So I'm going to get some spark plugs for it. Should be gapped around 43,000. So you can see it's all rounded off on the electrode there as well. Since I have to go to the parts store, pull out the air filter, it's dirty as well. So we're going to get into one of those. So if you've got that same code, it's likely not necessarily setting a misfire code, but definitely would run rough, and then could set that code if it's not idling properly and drops below the 10 volts. Engine probably shaking a little bit, alternator's not quite putting out what it should be. Yeah, let's go get some parts. The new plugs, you can see the old ones. This one's about 65,000 gap. The new ones are all pre-gapped at a nice 43 thou. So
she wore down a bit, the old ones, I'd say.
She is wore down a lot. All right, let's put the new ones in. We're going with some Autolite Platinum. 2.4 has to be one of the easiest ones, Barry, to get the plugs out of. You just take the coils are all at the top, just a little plastic cover. Tip for some folks, I will mention as well, you don't even have to unplug the coils, except for the last one you have to. But if you ever had a code, say a P0301 or something for number 1 cylinder misfire, is just swap a couple coils, swap them. So number 1 moves number 2, and then if the code moves to a 302, then you know it's the coil. Rather than buying a coil, we don't need one, right? Idling happily. No more P0